The twirl tool can add nice twirls and it can turn an artwork in circular motion. The twirl tool is located under the group of width tool. So select this tool and let's twirl some shape. The size of this brush can be changed easily. Just press the option key and you will notice that the cursor changes. Now just click and drag to increase or decrease the size of the brush. If you press both the Shift and Alt key together, you can constrain the size of the brush. Now in order to twirl a shape, just click and hold over the shape to make some nice twirls. Let's draw another rectangle to understand more about the twirl tool. If you double click on the twirl tool, this will open up the customization dialog box. Here there are certain properties like width, height, which changes the brush size, angle, which changes the angle of the brush, intensity, determine the intensity of the twirl. So if you set the intensity to 1 and click, you will notice the twirls are light. And if you bump up the intensity, the twirl will be abrupt. The twirl rate determines the direction of the twirl. So if you enter a positive number, the twirl will be in counterclockwise direction and a negative number will turn it in clockwise direction. So this is all about the twirl tool.